How to transfer Minecraft world to another phone. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to transfer your save data or your Minecraft world to a different phone. This is very easy and this is doable. So all you have to do is just to copy the whole save data from your file manager, open it up. Now once you were under storage, all you have to do is go into internal storage. And then in here, just simply look for the Minecraft folder. And then inside the Minecraft folder, you should be able to see a Minecraft world and as well as the save data. Now you have two options here. Copy this whole folder and then send it via Google Drive or any application where file transfer are doable. And then all you have to do is just simply use this save data option, transfer to a different phone, and before you do that, make sure that the save data folder on a different phone has already been deleted. Only this folder right here. And then replace it to this folder that you would like to be transferred. And that's it. That's how you transfer Minecraft World to another phone.